اعوذ باللہ السمیع العلیم من الشیطان الرجیم من همزه ونفخه ونفثه بسم اللہ
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Okay, please,
Okay.
you can start from the beginning this.
حمزة ألف آ
Mhm.
حمزة كسرة إي حمزة دم أو آ إي أو إي آ حا فتحا حا كسرة حي حا دم هو حا حي هو حي حا
Mhm.
عين فتحا عين كسرة إي عين دم أو آ إي أو إي آ
Mhm.
ها فتحا ها كسرة هي ها دم هو ها هي هو خا غين فتقا غين كسرة قي غين دمقو قا قيقو غو هيقا خا فتقا خا كسرة خي خا دمخو خا خي خو خي خا.
Nice. Next.
I did all of them.
Mhm.
You want him to do it again?
I think okay. This one again, please. Kha.
Do it again?
Kha again, please.
I don't have kha. Oh, kha. Kha fata kha. Kha kasra khi. Kha damma khu. Kha khi khu. Khu khi kha.
Next.
That's it. Khi is the last one.
Kha khi khu khu khi kha. And next one qaf.
I can't see qaf. I can't see qaf.
Okay, wait. I will share for you again. Resend, inshallah. Reshare. I am sharing for you again. Please wait. About shahada, you what we was read about shahada. Ashhadu Can you
أشهد
one
لا
time?
إله إلا أشهد
Mhm.
لا إله إلا الله
Mhm.
وأشهد محمد رسول الله.
أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
أن لا
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
الله
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
الله
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
You can read now please. أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
الله
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
الله
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
One time please.
أشهد
Mm.
أن لا إله
Mm.
إلا الله
Mm.
وأشهد
Mhm.
أن عبده ورسوله.
Mhm. Nice, mashallah. Okay, can you see the qaf now?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, please.
Okay. قاف قاف فتقى قاف كسر قي قاف دمقو قاقيقو كاف
Nice.
كاف فتقى كا كسر كي
Mhm.
كا دمقو كاكيكو كوكيكا
Nice.
جيم فتى جا جيم كسر جي جيم دمجو جا جي جو
Mhm.
شين فتى شا شین کسرہ شی شین دمہ شو شا شی شو شو شی شا
ماشاءاللہ. نیکسٹ ون.
یا فتح یا کسرہ یی یا دمہ یو یا یی یو یو یی یا
نیکسٹ ون.
ضاد فتح طا ضاد کسرہ دی طا دمہ دو طا دی دو دو دی دا
Okay, what's spellings ضاد?
D A A D D A U D
ضاد, only ضاد. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, only ضاد. ضاد. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lam fatha la lam kasra li lam damma lu la li lu lu li la
Nice. MashaAllah.
Noon fatha na Noon kasra ni Noon damma no na ni no no ni na
Nice. MashaAllah. Okay. MashaAllah, you are reading good. Okay. Next one, please.
Ra fatha ra Ra kasra ri Ra damma ro Ra ri ro Ro ri ra Ta ta fatha ta Ta kasra ti ti Ta damma do Ta ti to To ti ta
Tha. What spells tha?
Tha A Thaa
Okay. Nice. MashaAllah. Nice reading.
Dal
MashaAllah.
Dal fatha da
Mm,
Dal
What? Okay, 1 second, please. Before dal, what letter you was read?
ta
In which color tha?
green
Green. What spellings?
Thaa
Tha. Yeah. Vibrate your tongue, tip of your tongue. Tha. With when you will tip with vibration, when you will touch your tip of your tongue, upper middle two tips. Tha.
ta
Yeah. Tha.
ta
Bottom of tha in green, purple. That's ta. T double A. Ta. And
Yeah
upper tha.
ta ta
Yeah.
ta
Some bold.
ta
Yeah. Tha and ta. Tha.
ta
Ta. First green. Second ta. First tha. Second ta. 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 I think you understand now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Nice, mashallah.
Ta,
Mhm.
ti, to.
Mm.
To, ti, ta.
Nice, mashallah. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Dal, fatha, ta. Dal, kasra, di. Dal, damma, do. Da, di, do. Do, di, da.
Nice.
Ta, fatha, ta.
Tha no.
Ta,
Tha.
kasra, ti.
Tha no. Ta. Ta. Light ta.
Ta. Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, kasra, ti. Ta, damma, tu. Da, ti, tu. Tu, ti, ta.
Light reading, okay. This one bold.
Am I doing it correct?
Mashallah, you are trying good. I appreciate you, but practice required, sir. Inshallah, I think you will good. This one bold reading. Thwa, thwa. Okay, bold.
I don't hear the difference. I don't hear that I'm doing it wrong
Bold.
or that I need practice.
Yeah, it's simple ta. This one. Okay, this. But upper this thwa.
Twa
Wha-
wala
1 second wait.
or ta.
1 second wait. No issue. It's very easy. This one thwa and tha. Okay, tha.
It sounds like you're saying twa with a
Thwa.
W.
Yeah. Also this one and 1 second wait. Also you will read this. 1 second wait. 1 second only, please. I will explain for you this. This one. Thaw and twa all same reading. Thua. It's also good. And tha also this also good. Okay. And this one only t double a or single a. This. Okay.
Okay.
I think you understand.
Yeah.
Upper green. Thaw. 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 Okay. And bottom
Okay.
is ta. Ta. Light reading. Ta. Light pronouncing. Ta. Upper thaw. Bottom ta. Upper read now, please. Twa.
Twa.
Yeah. Twa. Again.
Twa. Twa.
थोड़ी आवाज के साथ.
Twa. Twa fatha twa. Twa kasra
थोड़ी आवाज के
twi.
साथ.
Ta twa damma tu. Twa tui tu. Tu. Ta fatha ta. Ta kasra ti. Ta damma tu. Ta ti tu. Twa tha fatha tha. صا كسرة ثي صا ضم ثو ثا ثي ثو
Twa. From the twa again, please. Green twa. Upper.
وا فتى وا
Mm.
وا كسرة توي وا ضم تو وا توي تو
Mm. Nice. Next.
تا فتى تا تا فتى تا تا كسرة تي تا ضم تو تا تي تو تو تي تا
Nice. Next one, please.
توا فتى توا
Complete.
توا كسرة توي وا ضم تو وا تي تو
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay, you are reading good, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay. Now, inshallah, I think MashaAllah. Good reading, but I think you understand rules now.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. Twa is bold reading and ta is light reading. It's, don't forget this easy rule. Okay. Yeah. Twa green, twa upper, and ta is light. Ta upper, twa bottom, ta. Right? Yeah. Twa one time, please.
وا فتى توا وا كسرة توي وا ضم تو توا تي تو تو تي توا
MashaAllah. Next.
Am I reading that right?
Oh, right. Very right reading, MashaAllah. Very good reading. I am doing practice only, exercise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure I'm doing it right.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. After twa.
Okay. تا فتى تا تا كسرة تي تا ضم تو تا تي تو تو تي تا توا فتى توا توا كسرة توي توا ضم تو توا توي تو تو توي تا تا فتى تا تا كسرة تي تا ضم تو تا تي تو تو تي تا
MashaAllah. Nice. Next letter, please, now.
صاد صاد فتى صا صاد كسرة سي صي صاد ضم صو صا سي صو
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Nice reading. One time more, please.
صاد فتى صا صاد كسرة سي صاد ضم صو Sa si su. Su si sa.
MashaAllah. One time more, please.
Sin. Sad fatha sa. Sa kasra si. Sa dhamma su. Sa si su. Su si sa.
I think you understand. Sa and swa. Green is swa and seen purple is sa. Seen. Sa. Seen fatha sa. And before swad fatha swa. Right?
Yeah.
Nice. MashaAllah. Okay, please. MashaAllah. Okay, please.
Okay. Sin fatha sa. Sin kasra si. Sin dhamma su. Sa si su. Su si sa. How do you pronounce, what's the difference between sin kasra and sad kasra?
Swad kasra swi. Swad kasra
Yeah.
swi. Swad kasra
I thought that's sad. Why do you say swa?
swa and saw same. Swa and saw same reading.
But it's not sad, sad.
Sad. Okay, sad. In typing sad. Okay, it's sad. In reading sod. Don't mix the how I tell you this swad, because don't mix this scene in scene. Okay, yeah, only for this I am teaching you swad and swa and sad, third different style reading. It's for understanding only, for teaching only. Focus on pronouncing only. You can. Okay. Number one target, our target, pronouncing correction. Okay. Pronouncing correction required only. Just don't focus the saw. This word spells saw, see, sad, sod. Its green is sod, swa, and seen is seen, see, seen fatha sa, swa no, seen fatha, swa wrong, seen fatha sa. Okay, remember it rule pronouncing place. Sa, seen fatha. Read with me. Seen fatha sa. Swa don't read it. Swa no, sa. Okay, for this for this rule memorization I am teaching you in different style. Swad fatha swa, sin fatha sa, and sin kasra si, suino, and sin dhamma su, suvuno, sin sa si su, sa si su, su si sa. Simple. And swad, swa swi swu, and swu swi swa. It's easy teaching style. I am teaching you in easy teaching style. Okay, it's in this style we are teaching kids. Okay, it's very powerful and interesting, good style for kids. Yeah, you are no kid, mashallah. You are a teacher, expert teacher in your school, mashallah. But you are a beginner, and I am helping with you third different style of teachings. Okay, with spells SAW, this one, and SOA, and this one. It's for teachings. Only focus on which rule? It's one sword. What is it? This one sword. Okay, sword. Okay, and
Okay.
in yellow seen. This one seen. In
Okay.
red highlighting swa, swi, swu, swu, swi, swa. When you will touch to Quran after some months, inshallah you will read. When you will read this correction, swa, swi, su, swa, swi, swi, and seen sa, si, su, inshallah it's correct style. Okay, yeah, don't mix the swa in seen.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you understand. You have any question no more?
Okay. No, I have to go to the bathroom. Is that okay?
Okay, I think our class time is also finished.
Okay.
How many minutes class?
I'm not sure.
Please
I think it's
look.
over.
I think time completed now. Yeah, I think completed now our class. Okay, inshallah we will touch to tomorrow. Tomorrow, are you okay for tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow you can take the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, Allah give you health. Mashallah, you are educated very good. Okay, fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
Okay.
barakatuh. Goodbye.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye.